So here's the website I was talking about. It's called Pseudo-Write, and I think there's probably other versions, but it can do a number of different things. It can add descriptions for you if you were doing creative writing. This particular feature seems problematic to me. You could take any text and it will rewrite it in different styles and different forms. So I'm fearful that students could just copy and paste, full paragraphs, put it in here, hit the rewrite, and it's essentially money laundering. And then clean writing comes out the other side that they could put in to turn it in. So, quick example of what I'm talking about. I just wrote a couple short sentences based on a Gatsby essay, right? And then I hit write, and it's going to start generating text for me over here. And it gives you two different options. It's going to kind of keep filling in details on this. You could go with this route. In the beginning pages of the book, Gatsby's driving when his car crashes into another car, causing a small accident. We could go that route. That's all that text, and it's going to keep writing. Or this way. The main character, Jay Gatsby, is rich. He's a fancy car and crashes into Myrtle's car. The narrator drives Gatsby. Gatsby's driving like hell. Let's go with this one. Right, so this gives us three full paragraphs here. And I can click write. And it will continue to add details for me. So here's another 3 or 4 paragraphs. Right, so just like that, I generated, that's several hundred words of text. Now, is it 100% accurate? It's pretty close. And it can generate quotations, pull quotations from the text as it's doing right here, like hell, and quote, on the world's smoothest road. It's not giving page numbers, but you can see the problem here, right? And so I'm fearful that whether it's a short answer question, an essay question, any type of writing they're not doing on paper in class, that this could be used, and it would be very difficult to tell it apart. I guess there's an app that can kind of give you a percentage likelihood that this was created by AI, but that's about it. So anyway, these were my concerns and thoughts.